వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏపీఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ బిట్స్కి స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మరికొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ నేను మీతో డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ద డైనాసిటీ విచ్ హ్యాడ్ గివెన్ అల్టిమేట్ డిజైన్ టు ఆంధ్ర కల్చర్ అండ్ సివిలైజేషన్ వాజ్ కాకతీయాస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద శాతవాహన కింగ్ who has been regarded as a Kavivatsala was Yagnasri Satakani. Next question, the foreign traveler who visited the Kakatiya kingdom during Rudramadevi's rule was Marco Polo. Next, the first sultanate who invaded Kakatiyas was Alauddin Khilji. Next question, the Mulki rule agitation took place during the rule of Mehboob Ali Khan, Mir Mehboob Ali Khan. Next question, the Jatiya Andhra Mahasabha was founded by Ravi Narayana Reddy. Next question, the father of movement for people's dialect in Telugu language was Gidugu Ramamurthy. Next question, in Andhra Pradesh, the meetings of the vice chancellors of various universities is concerned by the chancellor of universities. Next, which one of the Chola kings conquered Ceylon? Answer, Rajendra. Next question, Kotapakonda is famous for Lord Shiva temple. Next, the Chirala Perala movement was against the formation of Chirala municipality. Next, the assembly speaker in the first Rajaji ministry was Bulusu Sambamurthy. Next, the editor of Golkonda Patrika was Suravaram Pratapareddy. Next, the founder of Kisan movement Andhra is Acharya N.G. Ranga. Next, the Nagarjuna Sagar project was started on 1st November 1955. Next, this leader toured Andhra during the Vande Mataram movement. Answer, Bipin Chandra Pal. Next question, the first Andhra Mahasabha conference was headed by Bayya Narasimheswara Sharma. Next, the gentleman's agreement was signed on 10th November 1955. Next, Thousand Pillars Temple was constructed in the year 1162. Next, identify the places where Buddhism was popularized in Andhra Pradesh. So, Amaravati, Guntupalli, Battiprolu. Answer, all of the above. Next, Nagarjuna Konda is located in the district of Guntur. Next, the father of Andhra state movement is Konda Venkatapaya. Next, the name of the tribe to watch to which Alluri Sita Ramaraju belonged. Answer, Konds. Next, the famous Vijaya Stamba at Chittoor was built by Rana Kumbha. Next question, what was the nature of Chola Gram Sabhas? So, helped public, banks and trustees, fully autonomous, all of the above. All of the above is the right answer. Next, in Pali text, the city is known as Nigam. Next question, the first dynasty which ruled Andhra was Satavahana. Next, the Chalukya king who had borne the title Tripura Martya Maheswara was Ganga Vijayaditya. Next question, the Battle of Bobili was fought in the year 1757. Next, the Tenali bomb case is associated with the Vande Mataram movement. Next question, the Cholas maintained close political and matrimonial relations with the Chalukyas of Vengi. Next question. Who was popularly called as the Andhra Shivaji? So answer C. C.P. Veerayya Chowdhury. So he is a Andhra Shivaji. Next question. Next question. The Kurnool Circular was issued by the state Congress leaders during Quit India movement. Next, which of the Pallava rulers is known as the uh, Vichitra Chitta? Answer Mahendra Varman. Next, the Jayapa Senani composed Nritya Ratnavali during the reign of Ganapati Deva. Next, in Chola kingdom, a very large village administered as a single unit was called Thaniyur. Next question. Krishna Deva Raya was a contemporary of Babar. Next, one of the major towns of Godavari region in the Satavahana kingdom was Pradhisthana. Next, the president of the Imperial Council of the Empire of Vijayanagar was a prime minister. Next question, the crop known to people of Vijayanagara Empire is a coconut. Next question, who presided over the Andhra Mahasabha convention held at Bellary? Answer Vijayananda Gajapati. Next question, in which year Simon Commission visited Andhra? Answer 1928. Next, who led the Chirala Perala conflict in Andhra? Answer Duggirala Gopala Krishnaya. Next question, National Andhra Mahasabha initiated or established by Madapati Hanumantarao. Next question, who founded the Ikshvaku dynasty Andhra Pradesh? Answer Vasishtaputra Shantamula. Next question, by during which king Ramappa temple was built? Answer Kakatiyas. Next question, Vijayanagara Empire was built on the banks of which river? Answer Tungabhadra. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.